I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm pretty excited for what I'm about to do. I've got here with me the Samsung Galaxy S10e and the Samsung Galaxy S10. And I'm going to be unboxing them both. Right here, right now. Of course, I honestly don't know which one's which. You might just have to open each one of these cardboard boxes and find out. I wish I had a knife. That'd make this a lot easier. What fun would a knife be though? Quite a bit, but this works. Just be careful if you're ever doing that. You don't cut yourself. Alright, this looks like the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Wow. It's like I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to ruin this. So there it is. Samsung Galaxy S10e. Okay, so they no longer have all the stats on the back. It just says 128 gigs. So that's sweet. That's the base model. So the lowest amount you can get now storage-wise on these phones is 128. That's the base model. I mean, you can go up to some crazy like 512 on the S10e, I think, and then on the Galaxy S10, you can go up to, or NVIDIA Galaxy S10 Plus, you can go up to a whopping 1 terabyte of internal storage. And guys, I mean, we're in 2018 and stuff, but that's still insane. You know, phone 1 terabyte plus. You still can have expandable storage with these phones because, you know, Samsung's awesome like that. So let's get this thing open. You got a couple little these plastic round stickers holding the case together. So yeah, it's kind of weird because it's not, you know, there's nothing holding it together right here. So you see, it's kind of it's weird. I don't know why they chose to do that, but that's fine. This is really exhilarating. This is really exciting. If I can get this thing off of here. Did I not cut this one well enough? Okay, one sec. The suspense is being held. Or did I just cut the same one twice? I don't know. Oh! That's kind of cool. If you can see, it says Galaxy S10e on the side. You guys ready for this? I don't know if I'm ready for this. Holy! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That is so awesome. I don't want to touch this. I don't want to ruin this. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh! I love phones, if you can't tell. Especially new phones, technology. Okay, they did have a plastic screen protector on here. I probably could have covered a bit more of the screen. It could probably be a higher quality screen protector, probably, but that's fine. So they got this nice little pull tab right here, so you can get your phone out. Wow! Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Just look at that. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty. It looks so wicked, cool, fresh even. I want to describe it that way. So I can take the back off. That's plastic, they got plastic on it, so I'll take that off in a second. But for right now, we're gonna see what else came in this box. Dual camera setup, man. I'm smiling at that. That's the first time I've ever... this might be the first time I've ever held a phone that has 2 cameras on the back, actually. I don't know, that's kind of weird to think. Yeah, so what else comes in the package? USB 2.0 Type-C to A cable. And then you got your adaptive fast charger brick. And then, oh, those are slick. Like, I don't know why this didn't ship with black ones. I guess like maybe all the colored ones, and then the white versions are shipped with white AKG, which Samsung owns AKG, but it's still pretty great quality earbuds that come in these boxes still, and Samsung's been doing that for a while, and you can really appreciate what all you get really with the Samsung in the box. And then we give a USB-A to USB-C type dongle thing, which it has come like that for a while now. And then we really not have instructions for this thing? Oh, whoops. I'm so smart. See if I can get this out of here without setting the phone down. Just put it right there. They just kind of casually stuck it in the roof of this thing. I feel like they used to put it. I don't know. Maybe they always put it there. I just don't know. But yeah, we still got the SIM ejector tool. It says Samsung on the front, so this is gonna be your instructions and all that good crap. I'll do the classic peel off of this back, so you guys can. Oh yeah, and this has a very premium feel to it. You're holding such great technology in your hands that it's not even funny. All right, we'll do the peel back that YouTubers like to do. That sound of peeling it off, I do like it. And then we have a case for it that I got from Amazon.com. Not sponsored, of course. We want to sponsor one of my videos. But I'll definitely take sponsors if somebody wants to sponsor a video and give me some cool products to test out or play with. That'd be cool. I hope this is the case for this one. It is indeed. Dang, I'm good. Because I also got a case for the S10 in there, so I didn't know which one I was opening, but that's cool. How does this work? This is a U-Maker brand case. I've never heard of that before. That's sick, bro. That's pretty cool. Like, it's not gonna lock in place right there, but you could go like this too if you really wanted to. There's some weird crap. So a built-in stand, yeah, that's cool. So I got that off. Nice. That's kind of cool. And then, yep. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna turn this baby on. Here she is. Oh, it looks so good. I like my Samsungs, if you can't tell. Yo, whatever company made this case, let's see a secret to getting this thing on and off easy. Or is it not possible? Like, some are just difficult. I already took a screenshot. I haven't even set up the phone yet. Okay. So, check this case out. Okay, it doesn't suck too much. I have to cut so much of this video out. Check out this wide angle camera. Check that out. That's insane versus the regular wide angle. Oh, the other one was the super wide angle, sorry. And then the S10 has a telephoto lens 2x optical zoom, but this one does not. So I got this case on. I got everything basically set up. Big, bright, beautiful screen. Big, bright, beautiful world. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I mean, either way, it's a great screen and stuff. Full HD plus, I believe. So that's the main mode. I think it's really cool. It just turns pixels off, makes a lot of the background stuff black. Like this wallpaper kind of hides that camera hole, punch hole in the top, which is, it's cool. So I'll put the stuff back in here. I don't know how it goes in here, but I'll put the stuff back in here anyways. That's how life works. Be like that sometimes. Be like that sometimes. Okay, so tear at preparation to open. Really? Well, that was easy. Thank you, Amazon. That was cool. I'm gonna open the other phone here. But there's marks on this. This is not clean. I think I paid like $60 for this, and I don't appreciate the state that it has come in. Like, there really isn't, like, sure, they made it really easy to get open this time, but there's no seals or anything. Like, they weren't ready for this, me ordering it or something, which, yeah, that happens. This will be so much easier to get on than that other case, no offense to that phone or the case. So you got the Galaxy S10e right here. Should start recording the rest of this video on the, you know, that's actually a good idea. Hey, screw this. Stupid plastic from the screen protector of the that other case attacking my thing. I think. Oh, baby. Oh, that is so sweet. That's beautiful. Check that out. They have the same deal with the two seals. I don't know why it's like that. I don't know why there's not like 4 or evenly put in the middle, so it keeps the whole thing together, but I guess that's staying together pretty well. But it do be like that sometimes. Oh, there it is. That's beautiful. That's amazing. That's awesome. And yeah, there's maybe a piece of crap screen protector, but it's a screen protector. It even goes around the to the curves. At the instructions again, all that good stuff. I'll show you the. Wow. Oh my gosh. I think I'm in love with that color. 3 cameras on this one.
The power button is kind of high. I don't know why the power button is so high.
Yeah, so this feels really nice in the hand. It doesn't feel like I'm gonna drop it. I'm guessing there's a reason why they put the power button so high up. I hope it's a good reason, but here goes the peel off. Yep, that's nice. That is so gorgeous. Yeah, we got the outer box case here. Same setup. Oh, that's tight. That's good. It's a big phone. Gotta get used to the size changes a bit. Okay, it's not the exact same size, almost. It's just that it's more screen. I'm not used to this. I'm not proud of this. It's got some juice, of course. That looks pretty nice.